and welcome to my video. This is going to be a demonstration on how to work a provisional crocheted cast on. Plus there's going to be a bonus on how to easily pick up the stitches once you've removed the crochet cast on and put them on your working needle. The supplies you're going to need are your working yarn, a yarn of a similar or lighter weight for your crochet provisional cast on, and then a lighter weight smooth waste yarn that you're going to use for helping pick up the stitches with a tapestry needle and a crochet hook, plus your knitting needle. So let's get started. We're going to start out with our knitting needle, the crochet hook, and our provisional crocheted cast on yarn. And we're going to start by making a couple of chain stitches, and I started just like I start my knitting. So I'm going to dip down with my crochet hook, and then I'm just going to do some chain stitches, and you can do 3 or 4 chain stitches. That's enough. And then you're going to align your crochet hook with your knitting needle next to each other, side by side. Then and I'm holding them with my right hand, you're going to take the yarn, it's behind, you're going to bring it across the front all the way, and you're going to pull a loop through the last chain on your chain from your provisional cast on. You're going to continue doing this, bring the yarn all the way around the needle, make a loop, yarn around the needle, make a loop, for however many stitches you want to cast on. Now the correct size crochet hook is one that's a similar size to your knitting needle or smaller. You don't want it too small, but it does not have to be the exact same size because these stitches are going to be removed later. Once you have as many as you want cast on, then you're going to work a few more chains by themselves. Cut your yarn. Okay, now we're ready to start our knitting. So now we're going to take our working yarn and we're going to work some stitches. Now you could work some knit stitches, purl stitches, knit in pattern, whatever it is you want to do. I'm going to work a couple of rows of stockinette. You're just going to knit these stitches just like your normal knitting. These provisional stitches will be removed, and I'll show you how to do that. I have a little bonus for you to watch that is my original content. I think you'll really like it. Notice that this makes a really cute edge on your knitting. It does not have to be provisional. You could actually use this cast on method to create a decorative edge on something. I've knitted across. Once you finish the first row, slide these stitches onto the cable. This is the bonus part of this video. And I don't think I've seen anybody else show this. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that second waste yarn, and it's threaded on my tapestry needle, and I'm just going to run it through these stitches while they're on the cable. I slide them to the cable because it's easier to put the tapestry needle through the stitches when your knitting is on the cable versus on the knitting needle. I pull this through, and then just for safety's sake, I take the 2 ends and I tie them in a knot. That just keeps it from accidentally pulling out before I want them to come out. So now I have my crocheted cast on. I have my first row of knitting. I've threaded the second waste yarn through those stitches. Now I'm just going to continue knitting. I'm going to work one more row. At the end of this video, I'm going to link you to another video done by a friend of mine, Frank Jernigan, and he shows how to use this for casting on underarm stitches for a sweater. And it's a really good video, so it'll be linked at the end if you want to stay and catch that link. Okay, so that's how you would work from a provisional cast on. Now, how do you take those stitches out and pick them back up? Here's a little sample I worked. I've got my provisional cast on. I've got my waste yarn going through that first row of stitches. Now, how do you know which end to undo on the crochet chain so you can unravel it easily? Well, you look at these chain stitches and you can see they're going in this direction, so they're worked this way. See the loops? So that means you want to undo this end. You don't want to undo the start. You want to undo the end. So we're going to take this off. We're just going to pull it out of that first stitch, and then you're just going to unravel the chain. And look what happens to that first row of loops. They're now on the waste yarn, the red yarn. And guess what we can do? We can easily, let's remove this here so we don't have to undo the whole chain. Now these stitches are all on this waste yarn, all ready to go. So we're just going to take our knitting needle and thread them back on. And then you would pull out the waste yarn just like that. If you enjoy my videos, please give me a thumbs up. Share my videos with your friends. Subscribe if you aren't already a subscriber. I have lots of content for you to view, lots of simple, easy to do techniques, and I hope you enjoy them. Look for Frank's video right up here in the corner if you want to watch that. Happy knitting.